now the area's certified most accurate forecast. Your weather on the fives with meteorologist Jordan Lamers.
Welcome back, everybody. It's 5:45 on this Tuesday morning. Starting to see the first light of the day out there. Here's Manitowoc over Lake Michigan. Gorgeous sight there, 43 degrees. Still have to wait 35 minutes until we see that sun over the horizon. Right now, a mix of 30s and 40s on the board. Comfortable jacket weather as we begin the day. Maybe just a little bit cooler with a little breeze out there. Increasingly breezy with the day and increasingly cloudy into the afternoon is what we're going to call it for your day planner today. May see an isolated sprinkle or flurry. I don't think everywhere we'll see it, but we get our temperatures today back into the low to mid 50s, much cooler than yesterday. And this is the reason why northwest winds will be out and about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Could see a gust close to 25. So breezy winds, certainly. Right now on Radar Network, we're not showing barely anything across the Badger State beside an isolated flurry or sprinkle just north of Rhinelander. And eventually we're going to have some clouds settling south as the cold front draws near. That cold front will also bring us much cooler air for tomorrow than compared to today. And here's that storm now. The April storm we've all been talking about, and folks, it's over land now, so we're sampling it with radar and weather balloons, and we are getting more and more data so we know the better track compared to yesterday. Here's what it's going to look like. Down to about Kansas and up toward Wisconsin, it's going to brush through the northwestern corner of our state. Why this is important for you is because this is a favorable track for less snow than what we said compared to yesterday. It's still going to be a very intense storm, windy weather, and with less snow comes a better chance for icing or rain. That's kind of the trade-off with this one. Here's what you can expect for snowfall accumulation, where you see the darker shades of blue and pinks and purples. That's the best chance for 6 inches of snow or more. Notice how that's in the far northwestern corner of the state, maybe grazing our area here locally. Here's what you can expect all in all. This is going to begin late tomorrow night and continue right through Thursday and right into Friday morning. It starts initially Wednesday night as a snowy mix or just plain old snow altogether. That snow will continue right on into Thursday, and I think from tomorrow night into Thursday morning, that's when we're going to see the most of this snowfall accumulation. And then it just goes over to a icy mix or just plain old rain on Thursday evening. Now, most of us will see about 2 to 5 inches of snow accumulation. Keep in mind, some of this is going to melt and compact as we go into Thursday. Off to the north, again, I showed you that, 6 or more inches possible there. Let's track it here on Futurecast as we go through Wednesday now. So again, initially pushing up from the south as a snowy mix or just downright snow. This is late Wednesday evening. So from that time frame right through Thursday morning, here's about 10 o'clock. A lot of snow out there. But then we get a push of warm air, and that will force the snow upward, and it will bring in kind of that icy mix there, which you see in pink, and rain down to the south, and that will be the general rule going into Thursday. As we push that snow off to the north, again, that's where the highest accumulation will be, so a winter storm watch issued up that direction from Shawano County and Oconto County and points north. This runs from now until Thursday, so keep this in mind as we go through the next couple of days. Partly sunny skies for today, breezy winds, maybe a few isolated sprinkles later on, with highs in the low to mid 50s. Now for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, down to about 30 for the overnight low. Here's your 7-day forecast. Most of the day tomorrow is dry. That snowy mix arriving late, 41 in the afternoon. Thursday, downright windy with snow over to rain or a mix in 38. Friday, some light rain and 42. Saturday, maybe a few flurries and another chance for showers on Sunday.